So here we are today replacing the PCV valve on a 2011 Cayenne with a 3.6 V6. The valve cover has been removed, and this video is going to be done backwards because I found it's easier to show the things that need to be removed to get to the valve cover by showing it already apart. There's no mystery. So basically, the PCV housing is held inside the valve cover with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws. Once you remove the screws, you got to pry a little bit to get the PCV valve assembly out of the valve cover. Once you get the PCV valve assembly outside of the valve cover, you need to carefully pry this pressed down cap assembly off the PCV valve cover assembly. Be careful, it's tough, and it takes a little bit to get it started and get it to pop loose. Once loose, you can replace the PCV valve. With being extremely careful to make sure that you don't pinch the PCV valve diaphragm in the cover.